So let's take a closer look at the activity book. After the Teacher's Reproducible Activity Book title page, you'll notice a simple table of contents. And by the way, this looks the same for the student activity book. The TEA chart has been printed in the activity book with accurate rulers on the edges for student use. There's a message to the student, hopefully an encouraging message, and then you get into the activities. So here is activity 1, types of rational numbers. You'll notice both in the lesson view and here that this activity is considered a skill builder. These skill builders are usually simple exercises that ensure students understand the foundational material that they need to know to be successful at the activities that are to come. In this case, there are just 4 activities assigned. So the next activity is a skill developer. The skill developer is going to take the student farther into application. Next, the skill extender. The skill extender sometimes will involve logic puzzles and even extend the student beyond information that they are responsible for to make the activities more interesting. Usually, skill extenders do not introduce TEKS that have not already been covered in the skill builders and the skill developers, but they do approach the information somehow in a different way. In this case, a rational numbers logic puzzle. And finally, skill checkers. So activity 4 is a skill checker, and you can see that we are starting to look like standardized test questions. And the reason we do that is twofold. One is to include the skill checkers as an advantage to the students because they get to build familiarity with these types of problems. But the advantage to the students of activity 1 through 3 is to provide variety, visual interest, intellectual interest, and also to build up the skills that are needed before checking to be sure the student has mastered them. The student course notes that come in the eligible TEKS programs will have all of the TEKS summarized with explanations, descriptions, equations, and examples in an orderly fashion. If you go to the DynaNotes website and you enter the teacher's workroom, you'll notice that there are training videos available which cover what are DynaNotes student course notes and how to use them, part 1 and part 2. We certainly recommend these videos to you to make the student course notes that come with your math programs even more effective for your students.